Okay guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we got a 2021 Subaru Forester rear wiper blade. Very simple and easy, okay? So this is somebody must have worked on this. So this thing lifts up just like that. And to change this, all you're gonna do is you're just gonna push this as far as you can and this will come right out, okay? So all you do is you keep it pushing out that way, it will come out. And to put it back in, you start from that particular spot, okay? And then all you do is you push it back into the slot and it goes right in. And that's it. That's how simple and easy it is to change this wiper blade. And make sure the surface is clean, the meeting surface in the beginning, and it will just stick to the windshield perfectly. I don't know what's the reason why someone because no need to, because this thing lifts up. A lot of cars, you got to remove this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Stay tuned for more videos. I got a ton of videos on these. And if you got any question, don't hesitate to send me a message. And if you need a particular video, like I have blower motor, I have a battery change, a whole bunch of videos on this vehicle.